In this list of data, I'd like to filter out certain numbers. I'm going to press the key combination Ctrl-Shift-L to turn on my filter. I'm then going to hit the drop down on Target. Because I'm after those target values between 1500 and 2500, I certainly don't want to go through ticking and unticking those various options. Instead, I'll go to Number Filters. Number Filters offers a variety of number filters such as equals, does not equal, greater than, less than, between, etc. If I choose Custom Filter, for example, I can change equals to is greater than or equal to, and in the next box type 1500. I also want those records that are and less than or equal to 2500. This filter will show those rows where the target value is greater than or equal to 1500 and at the same time is less than or equal to 2500. When I click OK, I can see it has filtered my records, and if I rest on the triangle, I can see that the target values are greater than or equal to 1500 and less than or equal to 2500. And my status bar at the bottom of my screen says 72 out of 270 records were found. To clear the filter, I'll hit the Clear button on my Quick Access toolbar.